Welcome to my Halloween special of Name That Bird. Let's see how many of my spooky feathered friends you can guess correctly. Have a happy Halloween! Name that bird. Name that bird. Name that bird. Name that bird. I hope you're enjoying Name That Bird. How many of these birds were you able to identify correctly? Let me know in the comments below. And if you would like me to feature one of these birds in an upcoming program, please leave a comment below. If you would like to see more of this type of content, please subscribe to my channel.